Pick a niche. Decide what your YouTube channel will be about. Choose a topic or theme that you're passionate about or have expertise in. Know your audience. Understand who your videos are for. Tailor your content to meet the interests and needs of your target audience. Did you know that 80% of video content creators are starting to leverage artificial intelligence to enhance their videos? So, how can you integrate AI into your own YouTube content? Firstly, it's vital to decide on AI integration. Determine how you prefer to use AI technology in your content. This can range from AI-generated content to smart editing or any other areas that artificial intelligence can contribute. Secondly, plan your content. Envision the sort of videos you're aiming to produce, the role AI will fulfill in boosting your content. Next, write scripts or create outlines for your videos. If AI is taking care of sections of your content, structure where it fits best into your comprehensive story. Lastly, explore AI tools. Investigate AI instruments or platforms that align seamlessly with your content strategy. This could be anything from AI image generation to voice synthesis or other innovative applications. AI has a lot more to offer in content creation than you might think. It's time to step into the future of video content creation. Create your videos. Record and produce your videos, incorporating AI elements where planned. Make sure your content is engaging and valuable to your audience. Edit your videos. Use video editing software to refine your videos. Add AI-generated graphics or effects to enhance the visual appeal. Upload to YouTube. Create a YouTube channel and upload your videos. Optimize titles, descriptions, and tags to improve discoverability. Engage with viewers. Respond to comments and build a community around your channel. Encourage feedback and interaction. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media and collaborate with others to increase your channel's visibility. Monitor performance. Use YouTube analytics to track how your videos are performing. Pay attention to metrics like views, likes, and subscriber growth. Always make sure your use of AI aligns with YouTube's policies. And most importantly, have fun creating content that you and your audience enjoy.